Hello beautiful people. I'm going to Molly's cafe today and I'm gonna take you with me. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेविंग हो रही थी हमस की, तो मैंने सुना कि मॉलीज़ कैफ़े में जो हमस है वो बहुत ज़बरदस्त मिलता है और हम इसीलिए वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं। तो वहाँ पे कुछ डिशेस ट्राई करेंगे, आपको भी दिखाएंगे और चलते हैं। So I'm here at the Molly's Cafe with my beautiful partner Amreen, who is behind the camera by the way. So we have ordered this grilled chicken steak and we have ordered hummus with pita bread. So I'm gonna taste it. I've already tasted it and it's really yummy. I wanted to eat this from a very long time now. So let me just have a bite of this hummus and a pita bread. This is so yum. So now I'm gonna try this grilled steak and let's see how it tastes. Pretty good. So finally we are done with our meal and now I'm having this Blue Lagoon. The food was really awesome here. The taste and the texture, everything was really nice. So now I'm having this drink and I'll meet you at some other place with some new dish. Till then, see ya.